SAP LeanIX VSM Value Stream Management Online Training. Learn and upgrade your profile from experts with Proexcellency. Introduction to SAP LeanIX VSM. SAP LeanIX VSM is a cloud-based value stream management (VSM) solution that helps organizations visualize, manage, and optimize their software value streams. It provides a single source of truth for all software assets, including applications, services, infrastructure, and teams. This allows organizations to identify and eliminate bottlenecks, reduce waste, and improve the overall efficiency of their software delivery process. The benefits of using SAP LeanIX VSM. SAP LeanIX VSM is a cloud-based value stream management tool that helps organizations optimize their software delivery processes. It provides a centralized view of the entire software delivery pipeline, from ideation to deployment, and helps to identify and eliminate bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Here are some of the benefits of using SAP LeanIX VSM. Improved visibility. SAP LeanIX VSM provides a real-time view of the entire software delivery pipeline. This helps organizations to identify and track the progress of work and to spot potential problems early on. Reduced waste. SAP LeanIX VSM helps organizations to identify and eliminate bottlenecks in the software delivery pipeline. This can lead to significant reductions in time to market and cost. Increased agility. SAP LeanIX VSM helps organizations to become more agile and responsive to change. This is because it makes it easier to identify and prioritize new features and to track the progress of those features through the pipeline. Improved collaboration. SAP LeanIX VSM helps to break down silos between teams and departments. This can lead to better communication and collaboration, and to improved decision-making. Increased customer satisfaction. By improving the software delivery process, SAP LeanIX VSM can help organizations to deliver higher quality software to their customers more quickly. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Overall, SAP LeanIX VSM is a powerful tool that can help organizations to improve their software delivery processes and achieve their business goals. Key features of SAP LeanIX VSM. SAP LeanIX VSM stands out as a cloud-based platform designed for effective value stream management (VSM). It aids organizations in mapping, analyzing, and optimizing their software delivery processes from start to finish. The platform offers a centralized hub for software delivery data, covering applications, infrastructure, teams, and processes. This holistic view enables organizations to pinpoint and eliminate bottlenecks. Key features. Holistic visibility. Gain a unified perspective of the entire software delivery landscape for better decision-making. Real-time insights. Track software delivery performance in real time, focusing on lead time, deployment frequency, and defect rate. Data-driven decision-making. Leverage rich data to make informed decisions, prioritize critical applications, and optimize investments. Enhanced collaboration. Foster improved collaboration and communication among teams, reducing rework and speeding up delivery. Continuous improvement. Establish a framework for ongoing enhancements, promoting efficiency and quality improvements. Additional benefits. Risk mitigation. Identify and address risks to minimize the chances of failure in the software delivery process. Increased agility. Enhance organizational agility and responsiveness to changes in the software development landscape. Improved customer satisfaction. Accelerate delivery, ensuring high-quality software products and services to enhance customer satisfaction. SAP LeanIX VSM is a valuable tool suitable for organizations of all sizes, offering cost reduction, quality improvement, and accelerated time to market. Getting started with SAP LeanIX VSM. SAP LeanIX VSM offers a comprehensive value stream management (VSM) solution, integrating seamlessly with SAP LeanIX Enterprise Architecture Management (EAM). To begin optimizing your IT landscape, follow these steps. Create a VSM workspace. Navigate to the administration area and select Workspaces. Click Create Workspace and choose VSM Workspace. Define your value streams. Access the Value Streams tab in your VSM workspace. Click Create Value Stream, naming it and selecting relevant applications and services. Map your value streams. Head to the Maps tab and click Create Map in your VSM workspace. Select the value streams to map and drag-drop applications and services onto the map. Analyze your value streams. Go to the Reports tab and choose the Value Stream Analysis Report. Review average lead time, cycle time, and flow efficiency for each value stream. Optimize your value streams. Identify bottlenecks or inefficiencies and take actions such as task automation, improved communication, or application consolidation. Additional tips. Consult the SAP LeanIX VSM documentation for in-depth knowledge. Attend SAP LeanIX VSM training for a better understanding. Join the SAP LeanIX VSM community to seek assistance from fellow users. SAP LeanIX VSM empowers you to enhance IT landscape performance. By following these steps, you can kickstart your journey with SAP LeanIX VSM and begin optimizing your value streams effectively. Defining and mapping value streams in SAP LeanIX VSM. Value streams in SAP LeanIX VSM represent the sequence of actions an organization undertakes to deliver a specific outcome to its customers. These streams are identified by analyzing the products or services offered, customer needs addressed, and organizational goals. Mapping value streams using SAP LeanIX VSM provides several advantages. Increased visibility. Clear visualizations of the steps in product or service delivery help pinpoint bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Improved collaboration. Value stream maps foster collaboration among different teams, ensuring alignment with organizational goals. Reduced waste. Identification and elimination of waste in the value stream lead to enhanced efficiency and cost savings. Mapping a value stream in SAP LeanIX VSM involves the following steps. Define the value stream, identify the product or service, customer needs, and organizational goals. Identify steps, collaborate with stakeholders to outline the steps in delivering the product or service. Create a visual representation. Use tools like whiteboards or dedicated mapping software to visually represent the value stream. Measure performance, track metrics such as lead time, cycle time, and defect rate to evaluate value stream performance. SAP LeanIX VSM simplifies this process with features like a drag-and-drop interface, predefined symbols, and the ability to link maps to other SAP LeanIX data. Use SAP LeanIX VSM for purposes like improving efficiency in existing value streams, developing new value streams, identifying and eliminating waste, measuring value stream performance. Tips for success. Start small, begin with a single value stream before expanding. Get stakeholder buy-in. Ensure everyone involved supports the mapping process. Use the right tools. Choose mapping tools suitable for your organization. Be patient. Mapping value streams takes time. Don't be discouraged by immediate results. Successfully defining and mapping value streams in SAP LeanIX VSM yields efficiency and effectiveness improvements for organizations. Analyzing and optimizing value streams in SAP LeanIX VSM. Value stream mapping, VSM, is a technique used to identify and analyze the steps in a process in order to improve efficiency. It can be used to map the value stream for any process, but is often used in manufacturing and logistics. SAP LeanIX VSM is a tool that can be used to create and analyze value stream maps. It provides a user-friendly interface and a number of features that make it easy to create and share VSMs. How to analyze and optimize value streams in SAP LeanIX VSM. Define the value stream. The first step is to define the value stream you want to analyze. This involves identifying the start and end points of the process, as well as the key steps involved. Collect data. Once you have defined the value stream, you need to collect data on the current process. This data can include cycle times, wait times, and defect rates. Create a value stream map. Once you have collected data, you can create a value stream map. A value stream map is a visual representation of the process, showing the steps involved, the time it takes to complete each step, and the resources used. Analyze the value stream map. Once you have created a value stream map, you can analyze it to identify areas for improvement. This might involve looking for bottlenecks, identifying non-value-added activities, or finding ways to reduce cycle times. Implement improvements. Once you have identified areas for improvement, you can implement changes to the process. This might involve automating tasks, redesigning workflows, or training employees. Benefits of using SAP LeanIX VSM. There are a number of benefits to using SAP LeanIX VSM to analyze and optimize value streams. These include improved efficiency. VSM can help to identify and eliminate waste in processes, leading to improved efficiency. Reduced costs. VSM can help to identify and reduce costs associated with processes. Improved quality. VSM can help to identify and eliminate defects in processes, leading to improved quality. Improved customer satisfaction. VSM can help to identify and eliminate bottlenecks in processes, leading to improved customer satisfaction. Overall, SAP LeanIX VSM is a powerful tool that can be used to analyze and optimize value streams. It can help to improve efficiency, reduce costs, improve quality, and improve customer satisfaction. Measuring value stream performance in SAP LeanIX VSM. LeanIX VSM offers a robust set of tools to gauge the performance of value streams within SAP, measuring crucial metrics like lead time, change failure rate, and mean time to resolution, MTTR. These metrics aid in pinpointing underperforming areas and tracking progress over time. In addition to core metrics, LeanIX VSM provides features such as value stream mapping, highlighting bottlenecks, and waste. It also includes DORA metrics tailored for DevOps team performance and flow metrics that track how value moves through the stream. Utilizing these tools enables organizations to deeply understand their value stream performance, leading to various benefits. Increased productivity, identification, and elimination of bottlenecks enhance efficiency, boosting overall productivity. Improved quality. Metrics like change failure rate and MTTR help spot and address quality issues early in the process, enhancing overall product or service quality. Reduced costs. Optimizing value stream performance results in cost reductions, positively impacting the organization's bottom line. To measure value stream performance in SAP using LeanIX VSM. Define your value stream. Clearly outline the scope, start and end points, as well as key steps of your value stream. Collect data. Gather data on key metrics manually or through automated tools. Analyze data. Utilize LeanIX VSM's reporting and analytics tools to identify trends and patterns in the collected data. Take action based on the analysis. Implement changes such as removing bottlenecks, process improvements, or adopting new tools and technologies. By following these steps, organizations can leverage LeanIX VSM to measure and enhance their value stream performance, leading to increased productivity, improved quality, and reduced costs. Implementing value stream improvement initiatives in SAP LeanIX VSM. Implementing value stream improvement (VSI) initiatives in SAP LeanIX VSM is a powerful strategy for enhancing software delivery performance. Here's a straightforward guide to effectively execute VSI initiatives. Define scope. Clearly outline the focus of the VSI initiative, specifying the value stream or process to improve and setting clear goals. Collect data. Gather data on the current state of the value stream from diverse sources like code repositories, deployment pipelines, and monitoring tools. Analyze data. Utilize LeanIX VSM tools for in-depth analysis, pinpointing bottlenecks and waste through metrics like flow analysis, cycle time, and defect analysis. Prioritize improvement areas. Identify and prioritize bottlenecks and waste based on their impact on overall value stream performance. Implement initiatives. Roll out VSI initiatives to address prioritized areas involving process, tool, or technology changes. Track progress. Use LeanIX VSM tools like trend charts and dashboards to monitor progress and measure the impact of implemented initiatives. Examples of VSI initiatives include reducing deployment time through automation and minimizing manual handoffs, enhancing software release quality with automated testing and adopting CI/CD practices, increasing release frequency by reducing release sizes and automating rollback procedures, improving team collaboration through shared tools and creating cross-functional teams. Benefits of implementing VSI initiatives in SAP LeanIX VSM include increased customer satisfaction, reduced time to market, improved cost efficiency, and decreased risk. Additional tips: gain stakeholder buy-in, secure support from executives, developers, and operations teams to ensure the initiative's success. Start small. Begin with a small VSI initiative and scale up as experience and success accumulate. Be patient. Recognize that VSI initiatives take time to yield results. Maintain patience and track progress consistently. By adhering to these guidelines, organizations can enhance the likelihood of success in implementing VSI initiatives in SAP LeanIX VSM. Best practices for using SAP LeanIX VSM. SAP LeanIX VSM is a powerful tool that can help you manage and optimize your IT landscape. To get the most out of SAP LeanIX VSM, it is important to follow some best practices. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Define your goals and objectives. What do you want to achieve with SAP LeanIX VSM? Are you looking to improve visibility into your IT landscape, identify and mitigate risks, or optimize your IT budget? Once you know your goals, you can tailor your use of SAP LeanIX VSM to achieve them. 2. Start small and scale up. Don't try to model your entire IT landscape at once. Start with a small subset of your IT environment and gradually add more components as you become more familiar with the tool. 3. Use the right modeling approach. There are two main modeling approaches in SAP LeanIX VSM, top-down and bottom-up. The top-down approach starts with a high-level view of your IT landscape and then drills down into the details. The bottom-up approach starts with the individual components of your IT landscape and then builds them up into a larger model. 4. Use the right data sources. SAP LeanIX VSM can collect data from a variety of sources, including SAP Solution Manager, CMDB, and other IT management tools. Use the data sources that are most relevant to your needs and ensure that the data is accurate and up to date. 5. Use the right reports and visualizations. SAP LeanIX VSM provides a variety of reports and visualizations that can help you analyze your IT landscape. Use the reports and visualizations that are most relevant to your needs and make sure that you understand how to interpret them. 6. Get training and support. SAP LeanIX VSM is a powerful tool, but it can be complex to use. Make sure you get training on how to use the tool and that you have access to support if you need it. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of SAP LeanIX VSM and use it to improve your IT management practices. Troubleshooting common issues in SAP LeanIX VSM. Encountering issues in SAP LeanIX VSM is not uncommon, but with the right troubleshooting steps, you can resolve them efficiently. Here are some common issues and their solutions. Login troubles. If you can't log in, double-check your username and password. Reset your password if needed. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try a different browser computer. If problems persist, reach out to SAP LeanIX support. Object creation edit issues, unable to create or edit objects. Ensure you have the necessary permissions. Verify this on the My Permissions page. If permissions are in order, attempt to save the object again. If issues persist, contact SAP LeanIX support. Object search challenges, trouble finding objects. Review your search criteria and consult the SAP LeanIX VSM help documentation for guidance. If criteria are correct, try rebuilding the index via the administration page. If issues persist, contact support. Data import problems. If data import fails, confirm the file format is correct. Refer to SAP LeanIX VSM help documentation. Retry the import, and if issues persist, reach out to SAP LeanIX support for assistance. Data export hurdles. Unable to export data? Check your export permissions on the My Permissions page. If permissions are okay, attempt the export again. For persistent issues, contact SAP LeanIX support. For any other concerns, don't hesitate to seek assistance from SAP LeanIX support. They are there to help you address and resolve any issues you may encounter. The future of SAP LeanIX VSM and value stream management. SAP LeanIX VSM stands out as a cloud-based value stream management (VSM) tool, enhancing the efficiency of software development life cycles. The recent acquisition by SAP signals a promising future, aligning with SAP's strong focus on innovation and cloud solutions. Anticipated trends. Rise of cloud adoption. Cloud-based VSM solutions gain popularity for their scalability and cost-effectiveness. Data and analytics emphasis. Organizations leverage increasing data for informed decision-making and refining VSM processes. Integration of AI and machine learning. Automation and data insights are powered by AI and machine learning in VSM tasks. Shift to continuous delivery and DevOps. Growing adoption of continuous delivery and DevOps practices necessitates agile VSM solutions. Future outlook for SAP LeanIX VSM. Enhanced SAP integration, deeper collaboration with SAP Cloud Platform and S/4HANA Cloud for a seamless customer experience. Amplified AI features, leveraging AI for task automation, data insights, and personalized improvement recommendations. Adaptation to new DevOps practices, support for evolving DevOps practices like GitOps and cloud-native development. SAP LeanIX VSM, with its cloud foundation, data-driven approach, and AI capabilities, is poised to excel in this evolving VSM landscape. The ongoing investment from SAP ensures continuous innovation, offering organizations a robust solution for optimizing software delivery processes and achieving business objectives. SAP LeanIX VSM Certification. The SAP LeanIX VSM Certification is a professional credential that validates your knowledge and skills in using SAP LeanIX Value Stream Management (VSM) to improve software supply chain security. The certification is designed for individuals who are responsible for managing the software supply chain, including engineering managers, enterprise architects, and security professionals. Benefits of obtaining the SAP LeanIX VSM certification. Demonstrate your expertise in SAP LeanIX VSM to potential employers and clients. Validate your ability to use SAP LeanIX VSM to improve software supply chain security. Gain a competitive edge in the job market. Stay up to date on the latest SAP LeanIX VSM features and functionality. How to obtain the SAP LeanIX VSM certification. To obtain the SAP LeanIX VSM certification, you must pass the SAP LeanIX VSM Practitioner Level 1 exam. The exam is available in English and German. To prepare for the exam, you can take the SAP LeanIX VSM Practitioner Level 1 course. The course is available online and on demand. Additional resources. For more information on the SAP LeanIX VSM certification, please visit the SAP LeanIX Academy website. To find the SAP LeanIX VSM training provider near you, please visit the SAP Partnerage website. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Note, as of today, 4th October 2023, the SAP LeanIX VSM certification is not yet available. SAP is currently developing the certification and plans to make it available in the near future. Career opportunities and salary expectations. SAP LeanIX VSM in India. Career opportunities for SAP LeanIX VSM professionals in India are growing rapidly as more and more organizations adopt this enterprise architecture (EA) tool to improve their IT governance and compliance. According to a recent report by Indeed, the average salary for an SAP LeanIX VSM consultant in India is 725,000 rupee per year. However, salaries can vary depending on experience, location, and other factors. Here are some of the factors that can affect your salary as an SAP LeanIX VSM professional in India. Experience. Professionals with more experience tend to earn higher salaries. Location. Salaries tend to be higher in major cities such as Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi. Skills and certifications. Professionals with additional skills and certifications, such as SAP S/4HANA and SAP ERP, can earn higher salaries. Employer. The size and industry of your employer can also affect your salary. Here are some tips for increasing your salary as an SAP LeanIX VSM professional in India. Get certified. SAP offers a variety of certifications for SAP LeanIX VSM professionals. Getting certified can help you to stand out from the competition and increase your earning potential. Stay up to date. The SAP LeanIX VSM platform is constantly evolving, so it is important to stay up to date on the latest features and functionality. This will make you more valuable to potential employers. Network. Networking with other SAP LeanIX VSM professionals can help you to learn about new opportunities and increase your visibility in the marketplace. Negotiate your salary. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary when you are offered a new job. Research the market rate for your position and experience level, and come prepared to discuss your qualifications and accomplishments. Here are some of the top companies that hire SAP LeanIX VSM professionals in India. Accenture. Cognizant, Infosys, Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, Wipro. Why choose SAP LeanIX VSM Online Training? Choosing SAP LeanIX VSM Online Training offers several key advantages. Comprehensive understanding. Master the intricacies of SAP LeanIX VSM, a robust tool for IT landscape management and software development optimization. Online training ensures a thorough grasp of its features. Expert instruction. Learn from seasoned instructors with in-depth knowledge of SAP LeanIX VSM, providing confidence in the quality of education. Flexible learning. Benefit from self-paced courses, allowing you to tailor your learning to fit your busy schedule. Global accessibility. Access courses from anywhere in the world, making learning convenient and adaptable to your needs. Certification preparation. Prepare effectively for the SAP LeanIX VSM Certification exam, validating your skills for potential employers. Additionally, SAP LeanIX VSM Online Training aids in enhancing IT management skills. Gain a centralized view of your IT landscape, improving your ability to identify and resolve issues promptly. Optimizing software development. Track project progress, identify potential issues, and streamline software development processes. Cost reduction. Identify and eliminate redundant IT assets, contributing to overall cost reduction. Choose SAP for online training because official provider. SAP is the authorized provider of SAP LeanIX VSM training, ensuring up-to-date and accurate information. Course variety. Select from a range of SAP LeanIX VSM online training courses tailored to your specific needs and learning style. Proven success. With a long-standing history of successful online training, SAP is a trusted and reliable choice for your learning journey. Advantages of choosing SAP LeanIX VSM online training. There are many advantages to choosing SAP LeanIX VSM online training. Here are a few of the most important. Flexibility. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. You can complete the training at home, at work, or anywhere else that has an internet connection. This is a great option for busy professionals who don't have a lot of time to spare. Affordability. Online training is often more affordable than traditional classroom training. This is because there are no travel or accommodation costs associated with online training. Additionally, online training providers often offer discounts and promotions. Convenience. Online training is very convenient. You can access the training materials from anywhere in the world, and you can learn at your own pace. This is a great option for people who live in remote areas or who have difficulty traveling. Variety. There is a wide variety of SAP LeanIX VSM online training courses available. This means that you can find a course that fits your specific needs and learning style. Quality. Online training courses are often developed by experts in the field. This means that you can be sure that you are getting high-quality training. Here are some additional advantages of choosing SAP LeanIX VSM online training. You can learn at your own pace. With online training, you can go back and review material as many times as you need to. This is a great way to ensure that you understand the material before moving on to the next lesson. You can get personalized feedback. Many online training courses offer personalized feedback from instructors. This feedback can help you identify areas where you need to improve. You can network with other learners. Online training courses often have discussion forums and chat rooms where you can network with other learners. This can be a great way to learn from others and get support. You can access the training materials anytime, anywhere. With online training, you can access the training materials anytime, anywhere. This is a great way to learn on the go or when you have a few spare minutes. Overall, there are many advantages to choosing SAP LeanIX VSM online training. If you are looking for a flexible, affordable, and convenient way to learn SAP LeanIX VSM, then online training is a great option. Why choose Proexcellency SAP LeanIX VSM online training? Proexcellency SAP LeanIX VSM online training stands out for several compelling reasons. Our instructors, with both certification and extensive experience in SAP LeanIX VSM, ensure you receive top-notch guidance. The course covers crucial topics comprehensively, including VSM methodology, tool features, and best practices. Tailoring to diverse learning preferences, Proexcellency provides flexible options such as self-paced learning, live online sessions, and blended learning. Real-world case studies are integrated into the curriculum, facilitating practical application in your organizational context. Hands-on exercises further reinforce your skills in using the tool effectively. We pride ourselves on offering affordable pricing without compromising on quality. Enrolling in our SAP LeanIX VSM online training grants you lifetime access to course materials for ongoing reference. Proexcellency is a trusted name in SAP training, boasting a proven track record in delivering high-quality education to propel professionals toward their career aspirations. By choosing our course, you'll acquire practical insights into creating value stream maps, identifying and reducing process waste, and enhancing overall process efficiency. The skills gained will empower you to communicate process improvements effectively to stakeholders, aligning with your organization's broader business objectives. For a comprehensive, affordable, and reputable SAP LeanIX VSM online training, Proexcellency is your ideal partner, ensuring you acquire the expertise to elevate your organization's processes and achieve business success. Contact us to get more info. info@proexcellency.com @proexcellency.com. Bangalore 080315086887 +918722079509 www.proexcellency.com. Thank you.